Hi YouTubers, it's George. I'm in the workshop today for a short while. Gonna have a tidy up because I've got a few projects going on the go, and can I get that light so it's not reflecting so much. I purchased one of these. Let's do it in natural light, shall I? Let's see if we can do it. Okay, I purchased one of these Morse decoders a while ago, which works extremely well, and there's a new version out, which is this version here, and the original version was a 1601 display, so it's a single line display. This one's come on the market. It's a two-line display, which is the 1602, but it has extra components on the board. It has, in this bottom right hand corner, it's got 3.7 volt battery charging circuit and a USB socket on the end, so you can you run it from a type C charger to charge the battery. And as I say, you've got the battery connections there with this white connector, and you've got the charging LEDs and things like that, and the type C input. The rest seems roughly the same. However, you would think, as it's a two-line display, that the Morse you're decoding would appear on two lines. No, it doesn't. It still only appears on one line. So that's the first thing it doesn't do. The second thing it doesn't do, I can't get it to work properly. It just displays gobbledygook. And if I connect it exactly the same as the previous display I've purchased, decoder, that one works fine, but this one won't. Even if I connect the audio line in parallel, so they're both receiving the same signal, this one won't work. The other thing is, this button here, it's supposed to select whether it has a space. It automatically recognises spaces. The old one works, this one doesn't. You can get something out of it, but to be honest, it's not a patch on the original one. So don't buy one of these. Just don't buy it. It's crap. And it's a GXFA 0249-001. That's what it is. And they're not very dear at all. They're very cheap. So the thing I've got here is, for me, I've got a 1602 display which I can use for projects, but this thing, rubbish, absolute rubbish compared to the original one. Don't know what they've done to it. It's crap. So don't buy one of these. And as I say, it's a 1602 display. It's a pity really, because I got it because I wanted the two-line display showing. I wanted a battery connection, you know, and the battery charging circuit, which is down here. Rubbish. Absolute garbage. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.